How you guys doing today? This is gonna be a real short, and I mean when I say short, I mean real short video. First of all, regardless of what happened, I'm still happy that you guys can see a video. I put something out, give you guys an update on what was supposed to be a game-changing weekend for the truck turned into a nightmare. Pretty much she's gonna be down for probably a couple days. I'm going to show you guys what happened. Long story short, I was getting everything ready, filming all that stuff. I started to do the 5-inch rough country lift, and the steps and instructions are easy, by the way. They're like verbatim, like it has pictures too, so it's really easy. What happened was with two parts. The first part was when I got to the drag link. And for those of you that don't know, the drag link is what connects to the pitman arm, and it goes down to your pretty much your tie rods. The drag link that connects to the pitman arm was seized in there, and when I say seized, I mean it was seized. And trust me, I tried every trick in the book. I beat it from the side. I soaked it in PB Blaster. I got a pickle fork. I even used the actual puller for it. Nothing. Like the actual shaft that is inside of the pitman arm, that is like it's like inertia welded or something. Like it is in there. It doesn't want to come out. Like the top rod end, it moves the top of it, and then the rod itself, she ain't going nowhere. So that wasn't a huge deal because I was like, okay, I can just get a new drag link end because it's just a little end that you can take off and put a new one on. It's like 20-30 bucks for it. Then I was like, you know what? I'll take off the pitman arm. And then I was just going to take off the pitman arm with the drag link attached to it. No big deal. So then I got to the pitman arm, took the nut off, everything. I went to put the puller on there because I rented a puller. I was going to put it on. It wouldn't fit. Where the little prongs that sit up on top of the pitman arm that pull down on it, it physically would not fit. I went to O'Reilly's and 2 different AutoZones. To try to get one, you know, get one that fits. Nobody had one. I checked online, all the stores in town, they pretty much all had the exact identical pitman arm puller. So I was like, okay, you know what, whatever, we're going hardcore. So I broke out the cutter, and I was like, I'm just gonna cut it off. So I started cutting it, and I cut a chunk off, and it still does not want to come off. She's on there. It got to the point where I actually got pissed and frustrated, and I was like, I don't care if the splines on the gearbox shaft or the threads get messed up. I was like, I just want this thing off. I don't care. I can get a jeweler's file and I'll take my time and or I could re-chase the threads or something, you know. Yeah, it was. Oh, you can't really re-chase the threads, but I was gonna clean up the threads that way it can at least work. Didn't happen. I'm going to show you guys what I was talking about, okay? Alright, you guys. So, this right here. So let me turn the light down. There we go. Oh, that don't look good. Okay, there we go. Boom, okay. So that's your drag link end right there, okay? The top side. It follows down, connects to your tie rods, and it goes elsewhere. Alright. I was just going to take that off, this guy off, that drag link there. I was going to take that off with the pitman arm. Like I said, she's stuck in there, and this is definitely stuck in here. If this can't, you know, if you can't tell what's going on here, I cut a clean chunk of the pitman arm off, and it still does not want to come off. I don't know what happened, you know. It's just, it's frustrating. Is pretty much seized up on there, so that the shaft on the output of it is destroyed. I'm pretty much going to I'm going to have to order a new steering pump. Problem is that all the steering pumps in the local shops here, they charge over $150 for a pump, a steering box. I'm not paying that for it. I'm just going to order one online. I'm not going to get a redhead because I don't have the funds, and I really don't care right now to get that. But yeah, I mean, I had everything, man. Everything was just ready. I had everything set up. I had all my tools over here on the side. It's a mess now. I gotta clean all this up. I mean, everything was going good, you know. You see the paper down there. That's the instructions I was using when I was doing it. So old girl's gonna be down for a little bit. Nothing crazy, nothing huge, but it's something that it's annoying because out of all jobs to do, you know, this is probably like one of the top 2 or 3 jobs I've been looking forward to for the longest, and that happened. So kind of threw my Friday off today. So it is what it is. You win some, you lose some. So you guys, I just wanted to show you that and let you know what's going on. Yeah, I'm mad. I'm not even. I'm not. The thing is that I'm not mad because I am mad it can't come off. Let me stop. I am mad, one, that it won't come off, and it's freaking just. I don't know what happened to that thing. And I've taken pitman arms off before. Never, and I've had some tough ones before. I've never encountered anything like that ever. So I know I'm not doing something wrong. I know I wasn't, you know, using the wrong tool. I know, you know, I'm pretty confident when I do maintenance on my own truck and stuff like that. And I know for a fact that I've exhausted all measures, and pretty much at this point now, you can't really save that unless you guys think you know something, and don't just say you got to hit it from the side, because I tried that. But you know, if you guys have something that actually is like just unheard of that works, let me know. I'll be willing to hear it out. You know what I'm saying? So definitely, I just wanted to give you guys that update. When will the lift kit be installed? When will the tires go on? All that stuff. As of right now, it's to be decided until I get that gearbox swapped out. I can continue with the lift. I can do the rear. I can put the rear blocks on. I can pretty much do everything else, which is probably what I'm going to do in the morning. Just continue with the lift. That way, when the gearbox comes in, all I got to do is swap the gearbox, put the pitman arm on, swap out the drag link, and we're golden. That way I won't be waiting forever. So just wanted to give you guys a little update, and that'll be it. All right. So until next time, I'll see you guys later. Take it easy.